to participate in this. I said in the Synod Assembly a little earlier today, this is true joy, which has almost nothing to do with happiness, as the world understands happiness. I think happiness is overrated, and it takes a lot of energy as well. But true joy is being able to follow the one, to be found in the one who gave that one so generously and completely that these seeds scattered everywhere, in fact, were embedded, did die, were buried, but bring about new life. That is the hope and prayer that your bishop, your former bishop, and now Bishop deForest have for this synod, as all of us here do, as our ecumenical partners do where they are. And we don't do this by ourselves. This is very critically important. It's not going to be up to the bishop to figure everything out, because if that were possible, we would have done that a long time ago. It's not up to the bishop's staff. It's all of us. This has been entrusted to every one of us to spend our lives so that other people might know the freedom and joy and intimate love we have in Jesus Christ. That's for all of us. Will you love, serve, and pray for God's people, nourish them with word and sacraments, and lead them by your own example in faithful service and holy living?
I will, and I ask God to help me.
Will you give faithful witness in the world that God's love may be known in all that you do?
I will, and I ask God to help me.
People of God, representatives of this synod, will you receive Christopher deForest as a servant of God and a shepherd in the Church of Jesus Christ?
We will, and we ask God to help us.